Welcome to my IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. So we are doing the exercise 52nd problem. 65 divided by 5 minus 15 into 3 plus 27 divided by 9 into 3 minus 24 divided by 8 plus 7. So we have to simplify this mathematical expression using BODMAS rule. Here B stands for brackets. O stands for off, next D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So we have to simplify according to this order. So we haven't any brackets or off. Therefore we will start with the division. So 65 divided by 5, it is 13 minus 15 into 3 plus 27 divided by 9 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3 into 3 minus 24 divided by 8. 8 3 is 24. So 9 into 3, 27 divided by 9, 3 into 3 minus 24 divided by 8, 3 plus 7. Next, we have to do multiplication. 15 into 3, 3 into 3. So 13 minus 45. 15 3 is 45 plus 3 3 is 9 minus 3 plus 7. And next we have to do addition. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. Minus 45 minus 3. So 29 or minus 45 minus 3 becomes minus 48. Therefore, this is equal to 48 minus 29. 18 minus 9, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. As the bigger number has a negative sign, we will get negatives here. Therefore, this is minus 19. Therefore, the answer for this mathematical expression is minus 19. 53rd problem is done in the previous video. Therefore, now 54. 52 minus square bracket 48 divided by 12 into 6. Curly bracket 6 minus 8 into 3 minus 6 minus 4. For 6 minus 4 there is a lowest bracket vinculum and all the brackets are closed. Therefore first we have to do under the vinculum. So 52 minus 48 divided by 12 into 6 flower bracket 6 minus small bracket minus 6 minus 4 2. Next, we have to simplify this expression in the small brackets. So, 8 into 3, 24. 24 minus 2, 22. Therefore, this is 6 minus 22. So 52 minus 48 divided by 12 into 6 curly bracket 6 minus 8 into 3 24. 24 minus 2 22. Next we have to do this inside this bracket, small bracket, minus of 22 minus 22. Therefore 6 minus 22. 6 minus 22 becomes minus 22 minus 6, 22 minus 6, 6, 1, 16. Therefore this is minus 16. Next 6 into 12 into 48 divided by here 52 minus 48 divided by 12 into 6 flower brackets. So we have to Open this bracket next. 6 into minus 16. 36. 36, 3, 96. 16, 6, 96 with negative sign. So into minus 96. This is 48 divided by 12 into negative sign. This is minus. Therefore, it is 52 minus 48 divided by 12. 48 divided by 12 into 6. 12 into 6. 12 into 6 into minus 16. Next, this is 52 minus 48 divided by 12 is 4. 4 into 6 into minus 16. That is equal to 52 minus 4 into 6, 24 into 16. 24 into 16. 16 fours 64. 16 twos 32. 32 plus 6 38. 384. So 52 minus 384. 52 minus 384. Here 52 minus the product is 384 and there is a negative sign. Therefore, this is minus 384. So, 52 minus 384 means 52 plus minus of minus plus 384. That is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. So, the answer is 436. Problem 55. First we will remove the brackets. The smallest bracket is vinculum. Under this vinculum there is 26 minus 16. 26 minus 16 is 10. Therefore, inside the small bracket we get 2 minus 10. So 2 minus 10 is minus 8. 2 minus 10. The difference between these two, 8, and the sign with the negative large number is minus. So 2 minus 8 is minus 8. Already, so 2 minus 8 is minus 8. Therefore, this is 7 into minus 8. So we get this is 242 minus 360 minus 248 divided by 180 plus 7 into minus 8. 7 into minus 8. So next this is 242 minus 360 minus 248 divided by, we have to simplify the expression inside the flower brackets. Here there is 7 eighths, 7 into 8. 7 eighths 56, but with a negative sign, and 180. So 180 plus minus 56, plus of minus minus. Therefore, 180 minus 56. 180 minus 56 is 10 minus 6, 4, 7 minus 5, 2, 1, 124. This is 124. Therefore, we got the expression 242 minus 360 minus 248 into 148. So, we have to do the division here. 248 minus 124 is 2 because it is double the 124. Therefore, we get 360 minus 2. 242 minus 360 minus 2. 360 minus 2 is 358. 358. So 242 minus 358. So 358 is larger. Therefore, we subtract 242 from 358. 242. 8 minus 2, 6, 1, 116. Therefore, this value is 116. The value of this expression is 106. So next problem 56. 25 plus square bracket 14 minus 18 plus flower bracket 12 of 5. We got of here. 5 minus 16 divided by 4 into 3 minus 2. All the brackets were closed. So we have to open the brackets. First this is small bracket. As there is no vinculum, the lowest bracket vinculum is not here, so first this we will open this bracket. Inside the bracket there is a division and a multiplication and subtraction. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 4 into 3 minus 2. So 4 into 3, 12. This is 12 minus 2, 10. So inside the brackets 10. And 12 of 15. 12 of means 5. 12 of 15 is 60. So 60 minus 10. So inside the flower brackets we got 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50. Therefore we will write this 25 plus 14 minus 18 plus brackets 12 of 5, which is equal to 60, minus 4 into 3, 12 minus 2, 10. So 60 minus 10, 50. So this is 25 plus 14 minus 18 plus 50. So here 14 minus 18 plus 50. So first we will do addition. 14 plus 50, 64. 64 minus 18, 14 minus 8, 16, 5 minus 1, 4, 46. Therefore, this is 46. Here 25. So 25 plus 46. 25 plus 46 is 71. So the value of this expression is equal to 71. So next 57th problem. We have to open this vinculum first. 72 minus 75. 72 minus 75. 75 greater number has negative sign. Therefore, the difference is 3 and we get a negative sign. Already there is a negative sign. So minus of minus 3. So 76 minus minus 3. This is 75 minus 78 minus. Here this is 76 minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 plus. 76 plus 3 is 79. Here it is 75 minus 79. 78 minus. So this is equal to 78 minus 75 minus 79. The greater number has negative sign. Therefore, the difference is 4 and sign negative. So this is equal to 78 minus of minus plus 4. That is equal to 82. So the value of that expression is 82.